was younger, I wish that I would've known better. Better love makes a fat romance last for more than a short time. I'm older, took all the words of my mother, saying it could be worse, could be born with that disease instead of catching it first. So let's go back to the first time that I met you in your Chevy, with your hands stretched and me crying, screaming, mercy, mercy. But I know that I was put here to fight Vikings in a cold war, with my arms out in the front, singing, dare me, dare me. Well, these things take time, love, these things take backbone. And they'll tell you what you want to hear, 'cause they think it's better, better. But you better know how to point out the liars. You've got to weigh your walls, make sure you're not fighting for nothing, nothing. Are you fighting for nothing, nothing? Feels like this world has been growing slowly upside down. Maybe I should move to China, straighten these mugs out, watch all the sky for falling words, write about my grandma's curtains, or the lady who put the Chinese buffet in.